She's still going. Still going. Gonna be a good day. Better do that every time. Well, as y'all see, Joe's truck's still going. So let's see what he's got. Come on.
Alright guys, how y'all doing? First I'm going to say, Queen Elizabeth, 70 years. I think you're the greatest. I mean, my hat's off to you. There is nobody that has reigned or done anything that you have done with such grace, and I hope you just keep going, because you set the bar so high, nobody's going to match it. So, that's my words. I think she's just phenomenal.
Yep.
We had this party the other day. It was awesome, Clay. Thank you. I had the greatest time. I'm going to talk about setting the bar high. James, I don't know, you want to call him the cook, the barbecue expert, the smoker, cooker. I'm quite certain that's the first time I ever ate pork bellies in my whole life.
Good, wasn't it?
Now, I may have ate some before, but I never ate any before until James brought me some. I'm working on a truck. He says, Joe, I want to make sure you got some of these. Oh, my God. I've never had anything so good.
Very good.
And my wife called. She was not able to make it. She was not feeling well enough to be able to drive, so he made sure my wife got some of them. And James, she said thank you. Both days she got to eat those too, because she couldn't eat them all in one setting either, because she don't eat much, but I made sure she got all you sent home for her.
I know those Boston butts he cooked that night were just
man, I'm telling
delicious.
you, James, thank you. You set that bar really high too. I'm probably going to eat a whole bunch between now and the next time I have you cook for me, or I'm blessed by that. By the time when you cook again,
yep,
they were awesome. I took a picture of some of my buddy Kevin in Ohio, and he just said, oh my God, but he didn't even know what they were. But I said, yeah, they were that good.
They were good.
So speaking of the bucket of cash, and there we picked a winner, and somebody picked the winner. We had a birthday girl there pick a winner, Greg Sanchez.
What was the total?
Greg Sanchez. There was 298. I remember the number right there. 298 smackaroonies. Now, you would not believe how many days it took me to get a hold of Mr. Greg. I didn't call and leave a message, hey, I got money for you. No, it's like, hey, give me a call back. Or text him, hey, give me a call back. And he'd call and text me, and we just did not connect from the party till last Friday.
Wow.
That's like, Greg, you won. And he's like, oh, cool, man. I says, so on this show, you will get a chance to see what it is you get to spend money on, and I'll send you whatever you need.
There you go.
But we also have a chance to win something, and that's for everybody here.
Yep.
If you pan down over here, I have one of the only Milwaukee Remote Control Coolers in the area. You can't find them on Milwaukee website, can't find them on eBay, you can't find them on Amazon. So,
remote control cooler with chrome wheels.
Chrome wheel simulators. How much better does it get? So, you got to buy $250. I got plenty of stuff to choose from that'll get you there. Now you can buy more. So you get 500 or more, pay for that. You get 2 chances in there to win the cooler.
There you go.
I left it all in the box, so if I gotta ship it somewhere, it's
ready to go.
Easy packing.
There you go.
So I hope somebody wins. Somebody like Greg did. He was excited. He liked it. He thought it was a great deal. So here we go.
Let's do it.
We have a bunch of things. I got a bunch of Kershaw knives. I don't have the pricing for all these, but we have a part number for this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a sleek little.
Spring assist opening.
Now this one's not a spring assist, it's a finger assist. I think spring assist is when you hit the button and it goes. That's what I call. And then we got this one here with the little part number. It's a little one, but it also has a lock on it. So you try to hit it, it will not open until you pull the lock back. And
yep.
Now that's spring assist. See the way that pops out there?
That one is too. I just barely touched it.
Okay, I guess I'll go with that. Yeah, it pops. So we'll call it spring assist. So I'm going to put the lock on this one. Now, if we got to have green, we got green. And almost looks like it's Damascus, but it's not. I don't think it is. But you got your lanyard ring, you got a bottle opener. Oh yeah, you got to have bottle opener. It's something. And this one is not spring assist.
No. It's
so
just a regular opening.
This just is a, yeah. But you got the bottle opener with it, okay? Boom.
That's an odd looking little fella. It's got carbon fiber on it.
This one's kind of slick. Yeah, I know there's got to be a way to spring this open. It's probably with the feel. We're not going to cut you, so we'll play with that another day. But
it's different.
It's got a nice long blade and part number here.
There you go.
And one last one here. Part number. That's just like the blue one. It's got a lock on it, and yeah, it springs right out there. No Kershaw. So all I do is just touch that, and she's gone.
Yep. I like the black one the best. That one's cool.
I'm between these two myself.
Yeah, they're nice.
But yeah, that one opens better than that one. That one just looks sleek. So, I have plenty of the wrench extenders.
Okay.
55 smackaroonies.
And them things just...
They've been flying off the shelves, but I got a bunch here. I got a bunch more packed down here. I have... It says it's a striking scraper set. Now, these bad boys are thick, made of stainless steel. You can strike them. You can play Yasaki with your friends. Somebody needs to lose a finger. It'll do it.
Yep. Those are a neat set. That one's like a kind of like a putty knife, and that one's sort of like a regular knife blade.
Well, that's for the guy who's got to lose his pinky.
Yeah.
Just
a little
just
bit.
a little one,
just
you know.
A little bit.
That's for the guy that you call Hoss. He's got thumbs like, you know. But anyways, $90 on these here.
Yeah, those are cool.
They will work. Yep.
Striking caps, ready to go.
Striking caps, and you can also strike them on the end here. So I was checking out. You could.
Cool.
Had some body guys sticking them like seam busters. So I got those. We have a Lang scraper set. Gasket scraper
That's
set.
got the pull one in it too.
Yep, it's got the pull one in it.
Yep.
It's sharp and pull your fingernails back.
Yeah.
Burn the torture today, I guess.
You must have been watching some bad movies this weekend. Joe's been watching them mobster movies.
We have all kinds of, we got the Knipex 5-piece
Cobra rolls, yeah.
Cobra rolls. I got a few of these with the t-shirt, so you can get a Knipex t-shirt. It doesn't fit in the hole, okay? So it's not for real little people. It's for, you know, regular sized people. But there's 5 of these, $2.50 gets you 5 Knipex, the nice roll. They roll up nice and easy.
And that's a good heavy duty roll too. It ain't no cheap.
Is. You can smack somebody real good with these. $2.50.
I know y'all have seen those. It's got like the clear plastic that's sewed to the inside of that. You use them 2 or 3 times, the bottom falls out and they suck. That's not that case.
They're done. I got screwdriver sets, gear wrench. I got the Noco 10 amp. Now let me tell you about these bad boys.
Them will work right there.
They're great for maintaining, but they also got a rejuvenating button on here. So one of my customers, I get there a week later, they says, man, that there button is so cool. He says, we pulled this button. He says, Joe, he says, been sitting out in that field for, not that field, but their field back there was over yonder. Been sitting out there for a year. He says, we pulled it in here, didn't know what to do, but we hit that rejuvenator button on it. He says, we put it on a car, it works. So it's got a rejuvenator button. It's a 10 amp maintainer. These are pretty awesome.
Yeah, they are.
So I got a couple.
You got some of the little 2 amps too. I seen back there.
I got these here.
Those are
I got the
fabulous.
2 amp direct mount.
Yep.
They're pretty awesome. I got the 175s.
That's the 75.
Yeah, 75.
155.
And the 155, not 275.
No. Hard to beat them Nocos.
I got the finger ratchets. So it's easy to hit the 250. Get you a chance or a couple chances to get in on the cooler.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll be the only guy in the block with a Milwaukee Remote Control Cooler because nobody else has them.
I asked Joe, I said, why would somebody want a remote control cooler? He said, that way you don't have to get up and go get your beer.
Oh, yeah.
Wheel it over.
So somebody says, hey, Clay, get me a beer. Says, yeah, just a minute, coming around over to you. Let me get around the kids over here. So,
that's it.
He who has the most fun.
That's true.
So, I hope you had as much time as we had. We had an awesome time, and I want to thank everybody that was at the show and the party, and everybody came around. Oh, I got there. I had boxes piled up this high all the way through the aisle and stuff, and 2 great guys, James and our favorite service guy, Mr. Griffin. They came out, they helped me unpack, unload, and spent the whole day. I had a couple German beers for them. Yeah. And a few other guys. So we made sure we had a good time. So
it was fun. Definitely was.
Wish you were there, but we'll see what happens next. Hope you all have a great week ahead. I plan on it. Give me calls, give me texts. We'll see if you can get become the next winner. At the same time, you get a chance for that. It gets you 2 in the bucket. What a great day.
There you go. All right, if you need anything from Joe, his number is right down here at 731-412-7295. Shoot him a text and get you some cool tools or some knives or some Milwaukee batteries or almost out of Milwaukee tools.
Well, this area got hit. I got some here and there, but I have one customer that's taken those, so they're off of there. But I got some 18 volt here.
But Joe's got the tools, or he can get them shipped to you, either one. And like always, if you're looking for merchandise, it's over here. If you're looking for discount codes, it's down there in the description. And if you're not subscribed, it's super easy. You take your finger and click that button. Just press it.
It's free.
That's it. It's free. You guys have a great week. See ya.